back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Rachel and this is my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a grocery shop with me and then like a grocery haul. I have an entire list. Let me show you. Okay, so it's not like a long list, but I have my list wrote out of all the things I need to buy. I'm going to be doing meal prep this entire week. I just find that it's like more efficient than just buying random food and then trying to create meals. First of all, I don't have time for that. Second of all, it's just like kind of hard to put random things together and it doesn't end up tasting super great. But when I meal prep, I have like really good meals to eat. And I don't know about you guys, but that's the kind of life I'm trying to live, so that's what we're gonna do this week. So I'm gonna be leaving in like 10 minutes or so here with my mom. I will vlog a little bit while I'm shopping and then I'll come home and show you guys what I'm doing for meal prep. Alright, so it's like almost 1 o'clock. As you guys saw, I just had a Subway sandwich. It was really good, but before we get into meal prepping, I want to show you guys what all I got. I got this big bag here, and then I got a little bit right here. I've been trying not to use plastic bags. It's been kind of hard. I need to get more reusable bags, honestly, but I'm trying. Okay, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. You're gonna see all this stuff when I meal prep, so I'm just gonna go really quick. First up, I got a bag of spinach. I got some lentils, which I'm gonna cook up. They're an excellent source of protein. Got a thing of water chestnuts. I'm gonna be using this in a stir fry that I'm making. Got some cut up mushrooms. I got a head of broccoli. I know it's in the bag. My mom always insists on getting it in this bag. If it were up to me, we wouldn't use the bag, but she insists. A red pepper, a red onion, 2 things of blueberries. A funny story, actually. When I was grabbing these, it fell. Oh man. We picked them up and we figured we could wash them because we always wash our produce anyway. So it's like not a big deal. I know that sounds really gross, but it really wasn't that bad. There weren't many people. We just like picked them up. But it was embarrassing, so that happened. 2 things of strawberries, 1 container of extra firm tofu, and Uncle Ben's basmati rice, 2 things of coconut water, this random stir fry sauce that like I really want to try, some lightly salted rice cake, and then also I just want to point out this isn't everything I'll be using. I'm going to be using more than 1 container of this. We already had 2 at home, so I just needed an extra one. So really, if I was buying for the entire week, I would need 3 of the Uncle Ben's basmati rice. I also already have 2 containers of extra firm tofu, so if I was buying for the whole week, I would have gotten 2 more of these, but we already had them. Also, peanut butter. We're always stocked up on peanut butter. Our family loves peanut butter. One of my favorite snacks is rice cakes with peanut butter on top, and then I sprinkle on like some hemp seeds. So if I was buying for the week and we weren't stocked up on peanut butter, I would also get peanut butter. Other than that, I think that's about all that I'm going to be using, besides like a little bit of like oil and seasonings and stuff. But that's basically all that I'm going to be using this week. So this is just an overview. Ignore my random tripod. But yeah, so you got all that stuff. I love food so much. guys, so that was everything that I'm going to be eating this week. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, and leave a comment down below telling me which meal looked the most appetizing to you. And also, if you don't want to miss the next time that I post, turn on the little bell notification down below. With all that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll just see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
I've been running through the jungle, I've been running the woods to get to you, to get to you. I've been down the darkest alley, saw the dark side of the moon to get to you, to get to you. I looked for love in every stranger, took too much to